Cyrus Jirongo was born in 1961 in Kakamega County. His political journey started during President Moi's era, where he was the leader of Youth for KANU. Jirongo was elected a member of parliament for Lugari constituency from 1997 to 2002 on KANU's ticket. He formed the Kenya African Democratic Development Union (KADU) in 2006 and reclaimed the Lugari parliamentary seat from 2007 to 2013. In 2013, he vied for Kakamega senatorial seat that he lost to Boni Halwale. He later formed United Democratic Party (UDP) and vied for the presidency where Uhuru Kenyatta won the election. Later in 2022, Jirongo contested for Kakamega gubernatorial seat where he lost to Fernandez Barasa. He passed away in a road accident in Nakuru, Nairobi Way on 13th November 2025.